see me, cause you know that I am poppin'. I be getting all this money till I sleep inside my coffin. I be flexing and finessing, Rainy know that I'm the man. I be chopping niggas up like my name was Jack and Chan. I be popping niggas juice, people know that I don't play. I don't give two fucks of what they hear the gotta say. Niggas always sneak this cause they know that I'ma make it. I be doing all this shit, people know me as a kid. People seeing me cause they know that I am poppin'. I be getting all this money till I sleep inside my coffin. I be flexing and finessing, Rainy know that I'm the man. I be chopping niggas up like my name was Jack and Chan. People throwing shade cause they know I'm super ill. Got the feds at my door trying to see if they can kill. I am fresh just like Will, I be bombing like Osama. I be coolin' with your girl while I'm getting all these dollars. People's hating on my grind cause they know that I'm a shine. Screening your bitch in 6 seconds and the shit ain't a vibe. I'm the biggest in my city, I be flexing with the bands. Niggas know that I'm the man, I'm stacking cheese with the fam. I never heard a girl so thought she be thought in front of grabbing niggas like in her DMs cause she's showing off the ass. Put my city on the map, ready to know it, that's a mission. We be getting them all them hoes in the empire in my kitchen. Bitches hating on my shit, put their asses in a coffin. I got all these bitches sucking, I am always up to something. I be staying in my lane cause everybody is a snake. Niggas be hating on my grind cause you know that I'm a shine. Niggas be killing other niggas just so they can get the money. Y'all are taking L's at Curry's and you're chesting all these thoughts. They would love to see it, they say gotta keep it secret small.